This gorgeous 110-year-old Victorian is packed with updates. Oak floors, windows, carpet, stainless steel appliances, gas furnace, central HVAC with dampeners, and so much more. You will fall in love with a sprawling front porch, 10-feet ceilings, spacious rooms, open floor plan, full bathrooms, owner's suite with ensuite full bath and sleeping porch and large fenced-in rear yard with veranda. Perfectly situated just minutes from Portsmouth Naval Shipyard and Hospital, I-264 and Olde Townes shops and dining. Imagine enjoying coffee from your porch in the morning or taking in the sunset by the waterfront of the Elizabeth River after a long day's work. The Olde Towne Historic District features one of the largest collections of historically significant homes between Alexandria, Virginia, and Charleston, South Carolina, and here's your chance to own a piece.